Hello folks, today we're out here at the orchard on this very nice day. We have a spring-like day today. I'll be shedding this jacket soon once I get to work. So we're going to be going out in the orchard and cutting down some trees that blew over in the last big storm that came through here. So let's load this thing up. I got my Polaris Ranger here. We're going to load up. Got my stihl chainsaw. Today I'm running this MS 271. I normally run my 036, but a few days ago the oil pump went out in that, so I'm on a parts wait. We got irrigation supplies for the orchard in the summertime. Oh, even got some nuts from last year's crop. Guess the squirrels got to eat something, right? All right, we got our bar oil premix here. And we got some tools for adjusting and replacing chains. And we got spare chains. All right, let's get this thing fired up and go find some trees. Okay, here we go. Got a nice little mess going on here. Go show you guys before we get to work with the chainsaw. We got 3 of them down right here. One in the middle is pretty good size. Oh, and there's 2 more up there. Yeah, I got my work cut out for me. This will probably be a week-long project. Well, looks like we got 4 because this one's going down. It's 3/4 of the way there. Wow, a lot more work than I had planned on here. But it's got to be done. We got to get these trees out of the way so we can get the tractor in here, mow this grass. It's starting to get pretty big. And then we got to spray down the rows where all this little grass is growing. We got to keep that knocked back so we don't have problems with come harvest time, which is quite a ways down the road. But we got our irrigation here, and you know, we can't fit the tractor in between this direction. We got to go this way, so we always strip spray right down through here on each side, keep this cleaned up. We'll do a video on that and you'll see the results. Right now it's not very attractive, but we'll get there. We'll get this thing shaped up. All right, let's get to work on these trees. All right, that's one tree, just one. Like I said, I didn't count them. I don't want to discourage myself. So we'll keep updating along the way. And this is what we got when we're done. Got our wood pile. We'll haul this up to the house. We'll split the ones that need to be split. Got our brush pile, one there, one there. This is a pretty small tree. So we'll come through with the tractor and get this brush out of here and put it in our burn pile. Burn that stuff up. Now we have to sell some of this wood because we produce way more firewood out here than we'll ever use. And we got 4 families on this farm sucking off the wood pile, and we still have an abundance. So we help out the local people, you know, and recoup some of our costs buying those saws and the labor and whatnot. So it all works out fine. All right, on to the next one. Doesn't look like I have to go very far. Cold start. Let's see how she does. All right, we got another tree knocked out. I've lost track, but I think that's number 17 or 18 in the last 3 days. Probably have that many more to go to finish this up. So at the end, we'll get a final tally for you guys. Okay, here we are with the final update. Got all the trees done. I actually got them done yesterday. Took me 1 week to get them all. And the grand total was 38 trees. Quite a few. So here's the remnants of me out here cutting all the firewood, brush piles. So next thing is to get this brush out of here, get the tractor, push it all out, get it in the burn pile. That'll take us about a day if everything goes smoothly. Firewood, it'll take us about a week, or not a week, I'm sorry, about 2 days or so to split this and get it hauled up to the house. Then we got to get the tractor out here and get this grass mowed before it gets much bigger. Keep that under control. Well, not really grass, it's weeds. And then we'll spray this stuff in the middle of the trees, get that knocked back so it doesn't mess with our irrigation. And the blossoms are just starting to appear out here. Let's see if we can find some. And that'll be my next video. We'll talk about the flowers and the pollination process with the bees. It's a pretty cool thing. Yeah, here's some flowers over here we'll take a look at real quick. You can see them here. Just starting to open up. So thank you guys for watching these videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.